Hello and welcome to the full course online. In this video, I will show you how to share files between your host computer and a VirtualBox virtual machine step by step. This method works for Windows, Linux, and other operating systems installed inside Oracle VM VirtualBox. Before we begin, make sure Oracle VM VirtualBox is installed on your host computer and your virtual machine is already created. The most important requirement for file sharing in VirtualBox is installing guest editions. Without guest editions, shared folders will not work properly. Start your virtual machine and log into the operating system inside it. Once the VM is running, go to the top menu of the VirtualBox window. Click on Devices, and then click Insert Guest Edition CD image. Open it and double-click the VBox Windows Edition's executable file. If prompted, allow the installation and follow the setup wizard. Keep the default options and click Next until the installation completes. When finished, restart the virtual machine. After restarting the virtual machine, power it off completely before configuring shared folders. Now, in the VirtualBox Manager, select your virtual machine and click Settings. In the Settings window, click on Shared Folders from the left panel. On the right side, click the Add New Shared Folder icon. This icon looks like a folder with a plus sign. In the Folder Path field, click the drop-down menu and select Other. Browse your host computer and choose the folder you want to share with the virtual machine. After selecting the folder, give it a folder name. This name will be used inside the virtual machine. Next, check the option Auto Mount. This allows the folder to automatically mount every time the virtual machine starts. Click OK to save the settings, and then click OK again to close the settings window. Now start the virtual machine again. If your guest operating system is Windows, open File Explorer and click on this PC. Under Network Locations, you should see the shared folder. It will usually appear with the name you provided earlier. Once configured correctly, you can copy and paste files between the host and the virtual machine using the shared folder just like a normal folder. This method is the safest and most reliable way to transfer files between your host system and VirtualBox virtual machines. File sharing will now work automatically every time you start the virtual machine, as long as Guest Editions remains installed and the shared folder is set to auto mount. You have now successfully learned how to share files between your host computer and a VirtualBox virtual machine. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.